Hello guys, it's me again, Mr. Lena. Hello guys, what's up? It's me again, Mr. Lena, and today I have a very interesting announcement for you. I'm going to start a daily series in which I'll be handling some code on Codewars. You can see the URL here. It is codewars.com. You can also register there. I'll be solving their task and hopefully you can learn from my solutions and also try yours. Without further ado, let's begin. You can see the problems here and I'll try to handle the solutions here. We have to take a list of names and we have to return something like, for example, Mr. Lena likes this. If the list is empty, we have to return no one likes this, and so on and so on. And then if it is more than one, we have to return Mr. Lena and Miss Lena like this. So now let us begin and write our code. So we have if names, if it is an empty list, because an empty list, we should readily return no one likes this. So else if, this is how we check else if names else if length of names is equals to 1. If there's only one name in our list, we are going to return result equals to names 0, or we can readily return names 0 plus likes this. So there we have it. Else if length of names is greater than 1 and let's do it like this. What we want to do is else if length of names is greater than 1 and length of names is less than or equal to 3. So this statement right here, we can actually jam pack both into one statement. Let's do it like this. Else if 3 is less than or equals to what's the length of names. Let's try it out like this. Let's return no. So I guess it is working. So here we are going to create an empty list. Let's call it pre, or let's call it result. So it will be empty for now. So we now loop through the name list for name in names. So during our loop, what we want to do is to check if names dot index of name is equals to length of names minus 1. Here what we are doing with this line is that we are checking the index of the particular name in the list of names. If it is the last element, that means the length of names, let's say we have 3 items in the list, the length of names will be 3 and the index of the last item will be 2. Hence we are doing 3 minus 1, it will give us 2. What we want to do here is to add the add the result, is add up the result plus equals to, we add, and since we are not adding command, we add the name and name, then we add like this. something. So but there's a caveat here. If it is the second to the last item, we don't want to print a comma. It's equals to length of names minus 2. This will give us the second to the last item. So we add result plus we add only the name equals to name. We are not adding anything before or after, else everything in the middle will generate the same result plus is equal to name, then we add a comma after the name, plus comma, then we add a space. So that is that for that. Let's test it again. We'll test the last one. So else result equals to it is, sorry, let's just say result. I don't want to use any loop. Result plus equals to names 0 plus names 1. So here we should add a comma plus comma space names 1 plus then and then plus string of names minus 2. We convert it to a string plus then we add others like this. So this is basically what they want us to do. Let's just return this. Oh, here we are not actually returning anything. We should return something. We should return results. If you want this code, I will post it in my GitHub repository, and you will find it in the description of this video. So let's attempt the question, and we'll see all our tests have passed. 45 tests and 45 passed, and the time it took was 1012 microseconds. So we will now submit. Don't forget to subscribe and click the bell icon so that you'll be notified when I make another upload tomorrow. See you next time. Thank you.